Norfolk Southern coming across the connector here at the Kenny Yard from Montview. Green light, top left. Uh-oh. Trash train! This is that trash train that comes down by the Amtrak station. So they have been coming down this way. Oh, it's humid out here. It just rained. It rained not too long ago. And the sun's kind of cloudy because it's been raining here in Lynchburg, Virginia. Trash train. Lucky it rained as it keeps the smell down. I talked to the conductor, or I guess the station master, last night when he got off work. And he says he can't stand it when they stop that trash train outside the Amtrak station. It stinks up the whole area. What it is they take these old cargo containers of Mediterranean Shipping Company, they cut the tops off and they fill them full of trash. That's part of the trash train. They're hauling trash from up north, and I don't know where they're going to. If they're going to, well, I know they're going to Roanoke from here. You can probably see him better when I swing over this way toward the light. Oh, here we go. That's the end of the trash train. There's the intermodals. The earlier video, I didn't get time to start another one, but the train that was going eastbound that stopped, they pulled further into the yard and they stopped, and there's another train that looks like it pulled in from Appomattox and it stopped in the yard. I also saw the PTI van come by, and they moved the locomotive crews around. That's like a railroad taxi. If an angle is down like this, you get a better view. This train came out of Charlottesville. It's coming across the connector from Montview. They need more lighting down here. This is a long train. When they come south, they put the trash on the front and the intermodals on the back. But when they go back north, the intermodals are on the front and the trash, empty trash containers are on the back. There we go. There's the end of the train right there. In Roanoke, Virginia, down there where those lights are, that's where it's narrows down to single track. All right, and let me get a shot of this real quick. It's kind of hard to see because it's foggy now, but the white. It looks, from my view, I could see two white lights separately, but it looks, because of the glare, it's one big light. There's one on the right. That is the DPU on the end of the eastbound that pulled into the yard earlier. And the other, I think, is a westbound that pulled into the yard, is stopped down there. at the signal on the left side. Now, whether they're going to go after this train, I do not know. But these signals are already red now. And let's see. Because usually, if I go to the center of the road, okay, I don't know if I can see from here or not. There's two signals on the left. They're red. So now that they're off on the single section of track, they will pick up speed, and maybe these trains will, I don't know if this train or DPU, it looks like it's moving now. They might be using it to switch out. Yeah, it's moving. Alright, if I see anything new, and I can't get much from here. If I see something new, I'll just start a new video. Subscribe, like, and comment from Lynchburg, from the Kinney Yard, Norfolk Southern. Yeah, they might be pulling some cars over to the Montview Yard. Let's see. Or they're switching lines. It could be. Yeah. Somebody's pulling a train now. I don't know if they're going to go all the way across, or they're switching on to a different line over in Kinney. Because from what I know over that way, there's dual tracks over there somewhere before they get over to the connector. They might be going over the Montview. I don't know. I see cars moving down there. My guess is they're pulling those cars over to Montview. Alright. Unless I see something new. Oh, check that out. We got fireworks. It looks like fireworks going off at the city stadium. I see clouds, smoke, but they're launching them from the cemetery side of the stadium, so the people who live nearby won't complain about the noise and all that. That's what it looks like. Anyways, subscribe, like, and comment from the Kinney Yard, Norfolk Southern, Lynchburg, Virginia. See you in the next video.